Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my heavenly babies. I'm Angel, and I'm back today to do an unboxing. Now, I haven't done that one for a little while. I've actually been selling a lot of babies out of my collection, but this is the first baby to enter my nursery for 2024. This is a late Christmas present, and I am super excited about this baby. Got this baby from reborns.com, and like I said, it's a Christmas present. And we're just going to get right into it. We'll see when I open it if you're going to know what it is. Nope. Okay. Well, you won't know until I take the packages off the top. All right, I've got a card here. I don't know if this card is, yeah. I thought maybe it was from the person for Christmas, but no, it couldn't be because it came from Reborn. So it's from the person I got it from. Okay, it's the COA. And Angela, I hope you enjoy your baby blank. Can't say what baby it is yet. That was really sweet. And the COA, so I will show you guys that. Cool card, though. I love it with the sun on it. That's beautiful. All right, we've got some presents here. And I don't know if you've seen, but we've got some pink there. We've got a little girl, you guys, a little girl coming into my collection. But like I said, I have been selling a lot of babies out of my collection. A lot of them went on Facebook Market. I've actually gotten rid of like 12 babies, you guys. I know, phenomenal, right? Some of them were on painted silicones that I had that I did like right before Christmas. People were buying for Christmas presents, but they were some of my unpainted full body silicones. And then I got rid of some of the silicones, and then I've gotten rid of some of my vinyls. I have a couple more vinyls for sale. I did get rid of the Ava. I did a trade with her, but I'm not going to trade the other babies, the COA babies. Those ones I want to sell. Those ones are sell babies. But I did do a trade for Ava since she was a copy baby. And I will share that with you when I get that baby. But anyways, I'm excited, and we got a little girl here. So let's get into it. I don't want to make you guys wait too long. We got some presents here. This will be a nice unboxing. Nice presents. Look at that beautiful pacifier. It's clear. It's got the pink on it, and then the pink roses it's got like blue, pink roses, and then like blues in it. So cute. So it does have the magnetic pacifier. It is a vinyl baby, and it is a girl. So let's go ahead. Thank God there's a thing on the face. So we'll set this aside, and we'll just slowly, oh God, the diaper came off the head. Well, we'll keep the face covered. First off, I like the blanket. Oh wait, it's a robe. Oh, it's not even a blanket, you guys. It's a really cute robe. Oh, how darling. It's a baby robe, but it is a little bit big for this baby, but it worked perfect. I'll use it for one of my bigger babies, but oh my God, what a really cute robe. Let me show you. I'm going to keep this baby covered, but it's a robe, actually. You can see that if I went a little bit, you'd see the little hand. So let's go ahead and unwrap this beauty. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Wow, the legs move phenomenal. I am happy about that. All right, so let's keep it covered because I don't want to see her until I have actually undone her and let you guys see. This is a baby I have been wanting for a while, and her weight feels really, really good. I'm trying to do this without her face coming uncovered. But let's take a look. Oh, precious. I'm going to take my glasses off so I can really see it good. Oh, so sweet. Aw. Great coloring so far. It is a lighter baby. I love that. The veining is pretty. The nails are pretty. I like that too. They're not real stark white. And I like that because I don't like real stark white nails. I mean, I do and I don't. You know, it just depends. But when they are more, you know, where they're not like more so white. And I try to do that with my babies. I try not to make it too white. It looks more realistic. But I love the veining on it. Do you know what baby this is? Look at those froggy legs and look at those curled toes. Let me get it up close to you and show you. She's a heavy one too. Look at, do you guys know what baby this is? I'm sure you probably already do. Yes, oh my gosh, she's phenomenal so far. Weighted really good. Let's look at the arm. Oh, gosh, I love the hand. It's kind of got, like I said, it's a lighter baby, and it's got like a little bit of the purple reddish tones in the hand. And the nails are so cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's take off this arm without anybody seeing your face. Yeah, we don't want them to see your face yet. Oh, wow. Yeah, not mottling, the veining is nice. And like it said on the side, it is a light baby. All right. Oh, God, I don't want you guys to see. Let's get the other. I'm sure you guys already know what baby it is. Oh, my goodness. So pretty. Wow. Very good movement. I like that. And weighted pretty decent. All right. So let me show you the hands on it. I'm sure you know by now with those hands too. Look at that hand. We got an open hand and a fisted hand. And look at the movement. Really good movement. 1, 2, 3. It's an Ava, you guys. Oh, hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you're very pretty. Oh, she's got pretty hair. Look at her hair, you guys. Look at that beautiful painted hair. Wow, that is awesome. Oh my goodness. Yes, you're adorable. And she's got brown eyes like I like. Yes, see, that's why we're selling the Ava. Or we traded the Ava. Yeah, because you were coming. Yeah, you were coming. Aw, look at her, you guys. See, she's very light complected. I'm light complected, and look at her next to me. She's very light complected, like porcelain looking. I love her color. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm looking at an Ava. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Well, hello. Hello, sweet girl. Yeah, you want your nook? Yeah, you want your nook? Oh, I wanted to see how great that worked. That worked really good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have an Ava. Yeah, we're going to get something cute on her. But oh my gosh, we got to open the presents still. Yeah, we still got to open the presents. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay. Now I don't like her to sit just in this. She's very cold. It's very cold here in Minnesota right now. I hear a lot of people talking about how cold it is where they are. And it is cold here too. We're in the belows too. Or very low temps. But in a few days, you guys, it's supposed to warm up again. And that's very unusual for Minnesota. I'm in Minnesota and that's unusual to warm up. So yeah, I'm shocked. I am shocked that it is the type of weather that we're getting. Oh my goodness. Hi, Ava. Hi. See, that's not going to be your name though. No, it's not going to be Ava. No. I'm going to grab a chair for her quick. Hang on. To sit on while we open the packages. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not trying to take too long with this. I wanted to do this quickly, this unboxing. We'll let you sit right here, sweet girl. Yeah. Boy, you are heavy. Yeah, you are. Hi. Oh my goodness. Mommy has an Ava. Yeah. Say, yeah, I do, but we're going to come up with a great name. I don't know her name yet because I had a couple picked out, but I really want to really look her over and decide which one I want to go with. What is wrong with this thing? Oh, that goes to go closed when you're doing that with this. Okay, let's just get this closed. Yeah. And then give you your nook. There you go. There you go. You can look up at the camera at everybody. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, I have an Ava. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, she is. Let's look at the presents quick. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, that is so precious. Oh my gosh, cute. Wow, it's like a full, so it's a onesie and then what's by Modern Moments, a sleeper. That's brand new too, and a headband. And it's check white and pink. It's got the foldovers and then it's feetless. But look how cute that is. It's got the headband and the matching onesie. I like that because we like onesies. Yeah. I just can't believe I have an Ava sitting here. I wanted an Ava so bad. That's why I got that copy from a friend. I was telling a friend about it, and she got me the copy, like I said, and also the Laura. She got me the Laura and the Ava because those were two babies I really wanted. And so I got the copies for now, but when I knew this one was coming, when I got this one as a Christmas present, late Christmas present as well, I put the other one. And I told you guys my friend was okay with that because she understood that I was getting the real one. She said, I'm sorry, I would love to have gotten you the real one. But I said, no, don't be sorry. I don't expect somebody to get me a real one. But yeah, I got one anyways. Look at this, you guys. Pretty. Another sleeper type outfit with the floral print in it. And it's a gray, I believe. And it's also a Modern Moments. And it comes with the matching onesie. Very cute. And let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. She was photographed in this dress. Look at this. She was in the pictures in this. It's got the bloomers. It's peach and white. And it's got the rose on there. And then the bloomers, the peach bloomers that go under it. And it's lacy on the top. She was, photographed in it, in the photographs, in the picture that I bought her off of Reborn's. Got her. I didn't buy her. She was a gift. But the person, and I were working together at it. And then she was also had this on her in the photos. A tutu, a gray outfit. It's got a bear face on it and then an orange tutu. It's all gray, footless. She was also wearing that in the photograph. And the jacket, that was part of it too, that she was wrapped in. That was in the photographs. And then this sleeper here. This is a sleeper, and it is white with little bees on it. Yeah, it's got little bees all over it. And it says it's a Carter's, just for you. And that is a sleeper. Cute. So everything, that's different face. Everything that was in the picture, she said would come with it. And it did. And that was the jacket that went around it. Like I said, I thought she was put in a blanket. It was actually a robe. She was in this robe. And it's got bunnies all over it. Isn't that cute? I'll use that for one of my other babies, my bigger babies. But there she is. There's my Ava. Fun unboxing for 2024. The first baby to come into my collection. Yeah. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Yeah, you're very sweet. Yes, you are very sweet. Okay. I will see you guys later. Everybody take care. God bless. And I'll see each and every one of you in my very next upload.